Hi and welcome to your maths class. The type of problem that we are going to solve today in trigonometry is called triangle method or K method. Here we have the first question. In triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degrees. So it's a right angle triangle and angle B is 90 degree. If sine A equals to 6 upon 7, then find A, length of side AB, B, value of cos A, and C, value of cot A. So let's start solving it. So we need to draw a freehand figure of triangle ABC, which is right angled at B. So this is our triangle ABC, in which angle B equals to 90 degree. And in the question they have given that sine A equals to 6 upon 7. Now we know that sine is opposite upon hypotenuse, and they have given sine A, not sine theta. So sine A is given, that means your theta is at A. So your theta is at A. This is your theta. So you have sine A equals to 6 upon 7. That was given in the question, and we know that sine is opposite side upon hypotenuse. And let's see which is the opposite side and which is the hypotenuse. So with respect to A, this is your opposite side and this is your hypotenuse, and this will be your adjacent side. So our opposite side is BC and the hypotenuse is AC, which means that your side BC is of length 6K and AC is of length 7K units, and this K is a common multiple. Now why do we need to put this K? It's because what we have here is sine A equals to 6 upon 7. It is only a ratio. It doesn't mean that your opposite side, that is BC, is 6 units and AC is 7 units. No, only the ratio is 6 upon 7. So we don't know the actual length, because if you see 12 upon 14, 2 6s gives you 12 and 2 7s gives you 14. So this also is 6 upon 7. Now let's see another one, 18 and 21. 3 6 are 18 and 3 7s are 21. So 18 upon 21 is also 6 upon 7. And there are n number of ratios which will give you 6 upon 7. So what is the actual value of your BC and AC? It is not 6 and 7 units, but it will have a common multiple. Now here the common multiple is 6 2s are 12 and 7 2s are 14. The common multiple is 2. And here 6 3s are 18 and 7 3s are 21. So common multiple is 3. So the common multiple varies, and that's why we have taken this common multiple K. Okay. And hence we can write your side BC as 6K and your hypotenuse AC as 7K. So we got the opposite side, we got the hypotenuse. Now your first question was find the length of side AB, that is the adjacent side. Now we need to find this side. So let's find that. And how do we find that? Now this is a right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle, if two of the sides are given, you can find the third side by Pythagoras theorem. So let's apply that. So in your right triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square equals to AC square, and this is by Pythagoras theorem. Now let's put the values. So AB square plus your BC is 6K, so 6K the whole square equals to AC is 7K, so 7K the whole square. So AB square equals to your 7 square is 49K square, 49K square, and 6 square is 36, so 36K square. This is taken to the other side. So 49K square minus 36k square. So 49k square minus 36k square is 13k square. So AB, this was AB square, taking square to the other side, AB is equal to root 13k square. And we know that 13 is not a perfect square, so it will remain as root 13. And for k, square and root is cancelled, so it is root 13k. So you got your first answer A, that is, therefore the length of side AB is root 13k. So let's put that here. Your AB is root 13k. Your question B is find the value of cos A. Now we know that cos A is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So your adjacent with respect to A is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So AB upon AC, and we know that AB is, or we got AB as root 13k and AC is 7k. So root 13k upon 7k. Now your k will be cancelled and the value of cos A is root 13 upon 7. And the third question is find the value of cot A. So cot ratio is adjacent upon opposite. Your adjacent with respect to A is AB and opposite is BC. So AB upon BC equals to, if you put the values, root 13k upon 6k, your k will be cancelled. So the value of cot A is root 13 upon 6. And that's how you find these values, and this is called triangle method or K method. Why triangle method? Because we are taking the help of this triangle applying Pythagoras theorem, and K because we are using this, we are putting this common multiple as K. Now in all this question it was sin A, then you have to find cos A, cot A. So it was A and our theta was at A. Okay, because they asked A, our theta was at A. Now what if they ask the value of cos C? C is here. So if they ask you cos C, that means your theta will be at C. Then hypotenuse will remain the same, but this AB will not be your adjacent side. It will be opposite because your theta is coming here now. So this is opposite and this will become adjacent. So you have to keep that in mind. If they are asking only if cos A or the theta, where you had taken that as per the question here, then you have to follow the same adjacent, opposite and hypotenuse. But if they are asking you cos C or any trigonometric ratio of C, the other angle, then this will be the opposite and this will be adjacent. So your cos C is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So with respect to C, C is here, that means your theta is here now. So with respect to theta, adjacent side is this, that is BC, and your hypotenuse is AC, which will give you your BC is 6k and your AC is 7k. So k is cancelled, value is 6 upon 7. Now you can see cos C is 6 upon 7, whereas cos A is root 13 upon 7. So you have to be very careful that which alphabet they have given. Now please note that in all these places you can use some shortcut, like you can directly write sin A is equal to 6k upon 7k because we know sin is opposite upon hypotenuse. But I have written in order. It may take some time, but surely your time will not be wasted, because if you write it this way, the chances of making mistake will be less. Now see here also, cos A, we know it is adjacent upon hypotenuse, so we can directly take the values from here, adjacent and hypotenuse, that is root 13k upon 7k, k is cancelled, root 13 upon 7, instead of writing all this. But I have written stepwise. So this is better, you can write directly. But it's like if you run, the chances of falling is more. But if you walk carefully, the chances of falling is less. So if you make some silly mistake here and there, then you may not get the right answer when we do in a hurry. So that's why it's not that time consuming, hardly few seconds extra it will take. Okay, so that's all. I'm giving some questions for practice. Please try solving it.